Tonight marks the end on an incredible chapter of my life as Mutya ng Unidos 2010. Through a very special twist of fate, I was able to seize a unique moment in Mutya ng Unidos pageant history and embark on a journey to better myself, inspire my peers, and carry with my hopes and dreams of an entire barangay to the Mutya ng Unidos pageant. As daunting as it was to be looked up to as a role model for both strangers and friends, I relished the opportunity to give you my very best to show the world that young women everywhere are capable of doing great, good, and show that in life, as it is in sport, we should always give our best and never ever give up. Many have made today and my journey as Mutya ng Unidos possible. But one thing I have learned is that it is the generous spirit of every Unidos individuals that has made my reign so meaningful and memorable. I have to thank my loyal, selfless pageant preparation team, the countless volunteers who smiled through the countless hours of rehearsals, pageant, preparation work, and goofy fundraisers, the organizer, Honorable Robel Antixi, my incredible sponsors, the Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by Honorable Ray J. Sincuniege, the field directors, the barangay officials, headed by our own active barangay captain, Honorable Rita Loquero, for giving me this opportunity. And of course, to my friends and incredible family, sa akong mama, papa, ug sa akong brother, for their belief in me, their endurance through all things, their sacrifice, their courage, and their love. And to all my relatives who's always there to support me. And I would like to thank God above all. To every contestant who participates in the Mutya ng Unidos pageant, through our example tonight, this week, this year, and over every day of our lives, let us give inspiration to those who will begin to dream and believe in what is impossible. No matter the outcome tonight, we are and always will be beautiful inside and out, dedicated to making our lives and the world we live in a better place. Thank you for being here, for supporting me in this every day, and for being the very essence of what makes Unidos the place to be. And to the contestants of Mutya ng Unidos 2011, I wish you all the time of your lives. To the coming Mutya ng Unidos, we should help to preserve our environment by having a community service para ma-preserve ang atong kinaiyahan. Kinahanglan, modelo kita sa mga kabatanunan nga maayo ang atong dungog ug sumbanan sa tanan. We need to participate in a youth organization in our barangay to avoid drug addiction. And most of all, mapalampo ang atong spiritual life because we can do nothing without God. Padayon ug Lambo Unidos. Happy Fiesta. God bless us all. Once again, thank you and good evening.